Say the New York power grid is one of the most unstable in the country. As a husband, I want to make sure that my wife never have to worry about it. In a city this loud, the quiet of the Delta 3 Classic is something that I don't take for granted. Traffic, sirens, neighbors upstairs, the Classic runs smooth and silent. It's the only thing in New York that doesn't make noise. The fridge, the printer, the TV, even the vacuum all stay running smoothly. She doesn't even notice the difference, and that's the point. What I like most is the fast charging. It goes from 0 to 80% within 45 minutes. Even before we finish dinner, it's ready to go. We love to go camping on the weekend, get away from the city life and go there and enjoy nature. Where I'm able to power the lights, my fridge, even run my AC units, making my wife feel comfortable out there away from home. The Classic makes our time together easier. That kind of partner I want to be. Now for me, being a husband is simple. Taking care of the details so she can relax.